Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to a teaser of an upcoming Malayalam movie. This is Thura Mukham, starring Naveen Pauly and Nimisha Sachayan. I'm very excited for this because it's Naveen's new film, and Nimisha, I feel that it is her year. 2021 is absolutely Nimisha's year. Now, when this teaser had dropped, so many of you commented on my previous videos that please react to it. It's not very long, it's only a 1 minute teaser. A lot of you DM'd me also on my Instagram. I read one of the messages where somebody wrote that please react to this teaser. It is based on the Chappa system, which was prevalent in the 40s and the 50s. I read up about it, so what I've understood in my initial reading is that this was a system where the labor workforce were given work based on, like, the copper coins used to be thrown at them, and whoever could collect them was able to get the work. So it was like a ticket to get the work for that particular day. I have not read about it in depth, but this is what I understood with my initial reading. So this movie, I'm guessing, is based on how that system used to be prevalent in that point of time, and what used to happen to the labor force at that point of time. So let's see the teaser and get some context. Of course, it will not give out much because it's only a teaser. We'll just get the look and the feel of the film, and of course we'll have to wait for the trailer to get more context. So yes, without delaying this any further, let's react to the teaser of Thura Mukham. I did search the meaning of this word in Google. What Google told me that it means port or harbor. That's the meaning that Google gave me. If that's the correct translation, then great. If not, please let me know what is the actual translation. Okay, let's start. Darshana is also there. Jojo George, Darshana.
കാള സാറേ, സാറ് സൈത്താനാണെങ്കിൽ നന്നായി പ്ലീസ്.
Oh, what a dialogue! Oh man. Wow. Can I go back to a couple of visuals? So, when the person starts, how can you forget? Can we forget Matachari that faced the guns with boundless scorn? This look of Naveen. I think after Muthon, he's like on another track as an actor. I'm so happy to see this entire savage look on him. Sometimes I get reminded of Bangalore days and I wonder, oh my god, what a transformation Naveen has gone through. So yes, it looks like the labor workers are probably rising against the injustice of this system that was imposed on them, the Chappa system. That is what it feels, and it is happening in a place called Matachari. So that's what I have understood from this teaser. Jojo George looks great.
കാള സാറേ,
This dialogue.
സാറ് സൈത്താനാണെങ്കിൽ നന്നായി പ്ലീസ്.
Oh wow. All right. Amazing. Rajiv Ravi, cinematographer, of course. Based on the play. Okay. Based on the play Thura Mukham by K.M. Chidambaram. Oh, okay. All right. So I've some new information. I found out that this was a play. Okay, let me stop this. Oh, so this is based on a play. What a great cast! You know, I can see, so Naveen is there, Nimisha is there, Darshana is there. I could recognize Indrajit, Jojo George, so many people, so many people. And wait, so they have, let me just, oh, they have actually given a little bit teaser. There's another actor, Sudev Nair. Sudev Nair in the lead role. Okay, all right. So, this movie is set in the backdrop of 90. Okay, yeah, because I could see the two timelines. I could see some visuals in black and white. So, that is the era in the 20s, 1920s, where we see Jojo George's entire arc. And then in the 1957, so 1923 to 1957, then that's, so it will start with that black and white frame, and then we'll move on to the color, mainly related to the issues that happened in the harbor. So Turamukam means harbor only, so that was correct. Action-packed period movie set in the backdrop of 1920 to 1957, which makes sense. And I really like that in the 20s, whatever visuals of the 1920s era that they had to show, they're showing it in black and white. So we will have a clear distinction. I think that is a very smart way of doing the cinematography and doing the, so I think he's the director only, because it's directed by Rajiv Ravi, and the cinematographer. Oh, the direction and cinema. So both cinematography and direction is done by Rajiv Ravi. So that will be very, very interesting. And so Naveen looks amazing. Naveen looks absolutely fantastic. I love that look on him. Jojo George looks so great. I mean, for Nair to look at how much weight he put on, and here he's looking so different. Amazing. Indrajit is also looking great. And I do not know who is this actor, Sudev Nair. So I'll probably find out about him when I do my own research. And Darshana, of course, we got a glimpse of her as well. I'm really intrigued. And I really liked in the trailer how it is mostly, it's like a poetic sort of a dialogue that please, how can you forget what happened in Mattachari, the fire and the guns. So that was very poetic, and it sets the context of this movie and this story. And somehow I feel Jojo George and Naveen Pauly, they are related. Like maybe there's a father-son relation, something like that. Some sort of relation is there, because look-wise also both look the same. And maybe his father was the one who started this revolution of going against this kind of system, the Chappa system. And Naveen is sort of taking it forward and giving a closure to that, so that we close this entire loop. That's what it looks like to me. So yes, that was my reaction to the teaser of Turamukam, and yes, looks great. I'm gonna wait for the trailer. Congratulations to Naveen, he looks amazing, and I hope this movie does wonders at the box office. So that was my reaction for today, guys. I hope you've come till the end of the video. Do share in your thoughts about this teaser. What do you think? What are your opinion? How do you think this movie is gonna, look and feel like? And Rajiv Ravi is a great cinematographer. I know of his cinematographic, genius, but him as a director, that'll be really interesting to see as well. So yes, guys, that's it from me right now, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.